Slider windows have become one of the most popular window choices for Kendall homeowners, and for good reason. Their clean lines, wide viewing area, and easy horizontal operation make them ideal for everything from modern homes to classic Florida designs. But even the best slider windows can only perform at their highest level when they are installed properly. That's where professional installation makes all the difference. In warm, humid, storm-prone areas like Kendall, proper installation isn't just about appearance, it's about durability, efficiency, and long-term functionality. Here's how professional installation ensures smooth operation and reliable performance of slider windows in Kendall homes. Expert alignment prevents sticking and jamming. Slider windows rely on perfectly aligned tracks for smooth, effortless operation. If the frame is even slightly uneven, you may experience windows that stick or are difficult to slide. Uneven movement along the track, windows that tilt or come off the track, increased wear on hardware. Professional installers use precision tools and proven techniques to make sure the window frame is level, square, and properly secured. This careful alignment ensures that your slider windows glide open and closed with ease, no tugging, no forcing, and no frustration. Proper sealing protects against Kendall's humid climate. Kendall's subtropical climate means homeowners deal with high humidity, frequent rain, and strong sun exposure. Poor sealing or rushed installation can lead to issues such as moisture infiltration, mold or mildew around the frame, increased indoor humidity, water damage to walls and flooring. Professional installation includes high-quality sealing, caulking, and insulation around the window opening. This ensures your slider windows remain tightly sealed, protecting your home from Florida's moisture and reducing the chance of long-term damage. Better energy efficiency and lower cooling costs. Florida homeowners rely heavily on air conditioning, and your windows play a major role in how well your home stays cool. If slider windows are installed incorrectly, even small gaps can allow hot air inside and conditioned air to escape. Professional installation helps maximize energy efficiency by ensuring airtight seals, proper insulation around the frame, secure locking mechanisms, smooth track operation that encourages keeping windows properly closed. With a professional fit, your home stays cooler with less energy use, helping to reduce utility bills throughout Kendall's long, warm seasons. Smooth, quiet operation that lasts for years. One of the biggest advantages of slider windows is their easy, one-handed operation. But over time, poor installation can cause friction that damages rollers, bends tracks, or creates loud, scraping sounds when opening or closing the window. Professionals ensure long-lasting smooth performance by installing high-quality rollers, ensuring tracks are perfectly aligned, lubricating and testing moving parts, double-checking the window's movement across the entire track. This not only protects your investment but also keeps your home feeling peaceful and convenient. Enhanced security and storm preparedness. In Kendall's hurricane-prone region, every window must be secure. Proper installation ensures slider windows lock tightly, resist high winds, and remain firmly in place during severe weather. Professional installers reinforce window anchoring, ensure locks align precisely, seal gaps where wind pressure can enter, install impact-rated windows correctly. When applicable, this adds an important layer of protection for your home and family during Florida's storm seasons. Preventing long-term wear and damage. Slider windows must move along their tracks every time you open or close them. Even minor installation mistakes, like misaligned frames or poorly anchored tracks, can lead to premature wear, broken parts, or costly repairs. Professional installers help extend window lifespan by ensuring proper support for heavy glass panels, even weight distribution, track protection, correct installation of weather stripping. This means your windows stay functional, attractive, and reliable for many years. Final thoughts: slider windows offer beauty, convenience, and excellent airflow for Kendall homes, but only when installed correctly. Professional installation ensures smooth operation, better energy efficiency, and long-term durability, especially in Florida's unique weather conditions. If you're considering slider windows for your home, investing in expert installation is the best way to protect your comfort, safety, and window performance for the long run.